Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So you have been wondering how can you tell or know if someone has blocked you on Snapchat? You're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to know that in 3 different methods. So follow up with me till the very end of this video so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now, since we're gonna be using the Snapchat app, of course, let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. From the search bar in the top, search for Snapchat. Once you find it, make sure we have the app updated, or at least have one of the newer versions, so none of those very old 1 to 2 month old versions. Once you update your app, go ahead and open your Snapchat now. Now make sure you are logged into your account and then head out to your conversations. If you had a conversation with that person and it now disappeared, that might be a hint that they have blocked you on Snapchat. Of course, it's not a definite hint, but you can at least tell that they probably blocked you on Snapchat. Another way you can know if someone blocked you is by tapping on a Bitmoji in the top left corner of the screen right here. You'll be taken to your profile. Go ahead and scroll down till you find the My Friends list right here. Once you be here, go ahead and tap on the search bar in the top and then search for their usernames. If you can't find it, that might be a hint to they have blocked you. Maybe they have just removed you. If you want to definitely tell if they have blocked you, you can go ahead and open a group chat that you both joined in. From the group chat, tap on the Bitmoji in the top left corner of the group chat. Of course, you'll be taken to the group chat settings. You will find them here. Even if they have blocked you, you can still find their profile here. If you tap on their Bitmoji, you'll be taken to their profile. This user has not blocked me, but if this user has blocked me, if I try to add them, I won't be able to add them and I get an error message in the top of the screen. So if you try to add them using this method and you can't, that means they have definitely blocked you on Snapchat. And that is basically it for this video, guys. If it was useful, please like and leave your comments and questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.